So, hello everyone. Today, as of like 10 o'clock this morning, I received another package from FedEx, and this package has I believe the remaining candles that I need before so that I can get my Conjure experiment started. Okay, so I'm gonna cut open this box, and we're gonna get to unveiling and revealing the candles that are in this box. There are 3 candles in this box, and there is a body souffle that she makes that I got just because I couldn't figure out what type of other candle I wanted to get, so I just picked the body souffle instead. So you'll see that, and then I'll go into the other ones that I have, and so on and so forth. So in this box, there is Halo candle. We have the Ahari candle. The last candle in the bunch is the healing candle. And in that particular satchel came a smaller satchel, which I'll get into later. And lastly is a hydrating body souffle that she makes, and it's called Lust. Alright, so let's get into these candles. The first one we're going to talk about is the Ahari candle. This is what it's like on the bottom. So when you get it, as I've said before, this is what it should look like, I believe, unless she changes the design. That's it. 10. Alright, so let's take a look at what it looks like. This is the candle named after the owner, Lala Inuti Ahari. It's said to be a manifestation candle. You can use it by itself, or you can use it with other spelled and conjure candles. Now when I say other, there's specific candles that you can light this with. I don't know it off the top of my brain, but when I figure that information out, I will be sure to let you know. Upon opening this can, it immediately hits me with some of the same smells that I've been smelling from these other candles, such as like maple syrup. And when I tell you I smelled it, it just hit me, and it gave me like a sort of a headache. It's the glitter is kind of like gold / like orangish, like burnt orange. I want to say it has like, I can see like the blue corn in here. It smells of something that I've already smelled before. This is weird. Like I feel like I know what smell that is, but I can't put my finger on it yet. So that's the Ahari candle. I'll put more information in the description box, so you guys will know what this candle is good for. Alright, the next candle is going to be the healing candle. That candle also came with a satchel. So give me a minute and we will go through each piece. Alright, so the next candle is the healing candle. This is an 11-ounce candle. It's not a fixed candle, and it is good for the following, and maybe more. It's good for healing from current and past relationships. It's good for helping you break toxic ties. It helps to bring you truth to your situation. It helps to heal you from emotional trauma. And that's just some of the stuff that it's good for. It's good for other things, but you have to tailor it to your specific needs. It's, she has a book with chants in it and things that you can go off of, but you can, have something totally different than what the book says. Your situation could be different than what the book talks about. So you have to chant, make something up and say, like, say if you're going through you've been through an abusive relationship, you have to say, I'm healed from my abusive relationship. I'm healed from, things that have held me back from, my mother or my father, things like that. I don't know your situation, but still, stuff like that. So this candle would be good for that. All right, now that we got better light, let's take a look at this candle, shall we? Immediately upon opening it, it has a very, very, very floral smell to it. It's blue. It's got, I don't know what to call them herbs, but it's got lots of herbs in it, and it's used for healing. But it's very, very, very floral. More floral than I'd like to like. All right, so let's take a look at what's in this satchel. All right, so it comes with a fluoride bracelet, so along with the bracelet you get a tumbled stone. It's a fluoride tumbled stone. It's a lot bigger than the one we got with the Mars candle. I think that one was called a high vibrational amethyst stone. If I put them together, this is what they look like in comparison. I'm not one for stones and crystals. I mean, I need to get into them, but I can't be carrying these around. I don't know. It feels kind of weird. So I'd rather stick with the bracelets. Alright, so next up is the Halo candle. Alright, so here's the bottom. It's the Halo candle. Or the bottom of the tin of the candle. I always get messed up with that. This candle was a bit messy. And I say that because of, they have like, I don't know what's in here, like rose petals or something. I don't know what that is. It says that the candle has been spelled by Lala with the help of the invocation of angels. Known to bring immediate results, and it's good for the following: removing anxiety and depression, removing negativity, removing blockages, improving clarity and peace of mind. Okay. Restoring joy, happiness, and natural balance with an elevation in vibration. Okay. Alright, y'all, so let's get into looking at what this candle looks like. It's white, and it has a bunch of herbs. Of course, they all have herbs in them. I don't know why I keep saying that. It smells, again, very floral. And it's not something that I'm used to, but if it's going to help to heal me of anxiety and depression or whatever it is. Actually, it talked about clarity of mind. Now, her daughter has just released her January line for her ceremonies. And clarity and, let me see, it was called clarity and something else. Mental clarity and something else. And if this candle can do that for the money that I just paid for, which is, again, $69, then I'm all for this. Also, this candle came with a satchel. It has a bracelet and another stone in it. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so here's the bracelet. It's just like my, well, it's not just like, it looks similar to the bracelets that I already, the bracelet that I have with my Mars candle. Only the difference is that this one is black tourmaline or tourmaline, and the one I have on my arm is black onyx. And it says that it's good for continual protection against spiritual attacks. It's said to be, according to her description, it's good for continual protection against spiritual attacks. Now I'm not going to be able to tell the difference between the two because they look darn near the same. Alright, so here is I guess a comparison or a side by side of all the bracelets that I got from these candles. So this one here, this first one is the black tourmaline. This one here is the fluorite bracelet, and then this one here is the one that I've been wearing almost every day since I got it, which is from the Mars protection bracelet or protection candle. So I hope that I'm calling these things the right things. I hope that this one is not the same as this one. So I'm gonna have to check that out and see if I'm mistaking these two, because they look the same. They look exactly the same to me. That shows you how much I don't know my stones. Alright, and so the stone that goes with it looks like this. It's a clear quartz, high vibrational stone. Again, I do not know what I'm going to do with these crystals or these stones yet, because it's all new to me, so, but I have them. Alright, so the last product that I'm going to show you that was in the box is Lust. It's a hydrating body souffle. She basically has a body souffle equivalent for all of her spelled candles, okay, including the ones that I just showed you. So for the healing candle, she has a healing body souffle. For the Ahari, she has an Ahari body souffle, which I have right here. I've had that. That was my first body souffle. Let me bring this back. Let's see what else. What else do I have? A healing body souffle. So we got healing, halo, Ahari, just all the spell candles that she has. She has a crossroads one that I don't have by itself, but I do have one that she came out with called Ahari Good Fortune Crossroads. It's a mixture of the Ahari, the Good Fortune candle, and the Crossroads candle, which I have unboxed on this channel. Bring it back one more time. Alright, so this description says, need the spark back or want to attract desire and lust? Eris, lust, will blow their mind and yours. It's strongly spelled by Lala. This souffle, is Francis. And let me tell you, the reviews on this product are just bananas. In her forum on Instagram, it's crazy. People have this in her daily attraction. For those of you that, want romance and you want love and you want a man and you want him to touch all on you and you want him to just, do all that other good stuff, boom chicka wow wow. This, along with daily attraction, is for you, sir, ma'am, madam. Yeah, that's for you. So I'm gonna open this box and I'm gonna show you what it looks like and what the consistency of it is, and what it smells like, because they all smell like something different. So here we go. Alright, so when you open up the box, as far as I know, this is what it would look like. I wasn't expecting that, but it is what it is. From the other two that I have, I was expecting it to look like that, like those, as far as the top is concerned. This is Ahari here, and the tops look totally different. I would think that this would be female and this would be male, so I hope that I didn't get some type of like different scent, but if I did, oh well. I'm gonna just be walking around smelling like a man, or what a man scent. So let me just open this up and I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll try to talk about what the smell is. Alright, so I had to remove a light so that I could get the right type of lighting for showing you this, because it was too bright. But here we go. I hope I am getting it well. There we go. Looking in my viewfinder. So it's white, and I already have some on my arm, so I can tell you that it has some type of like musky. I feel like this is a man scent to me, because the other two, when I first got them, it took a while for the scents to grow on me. But if I had to take one of these scents versus the one that I have now, I would take Ahari and or Ahari Good Fortune or Crossroads. Like those two, they're sweeter to me now than they were when I first got them. So the smell definitely grew on me, and I think that this may grow on me, but I have to give it some time. This right here, I have to give some time because it smells very musky, very cologne-y, and it smells man-like. But this is weird because when I got these two here, I couldn't stand the smell of them. But now, after smelling this, the Lust, I love it. Like, going back and smelling is kind of like, oh yeah, I like that. I want to put that on right now. I'm not one for putting on like lotions and colognes and stuff, only when it's necessary. So this will probably last me a while, but just after smelling the Lust, it's going to take it some time to grow on me. But right now, I'm in love right now, just from the scent of these two. These are so sweet to me now, it's just kind of like, okay. So that has been my unboxing and me showing you what these candles look like. Of course, like I told you before, if you don't know, I'm going to get every single candle that she makes, okay? Every single candle that's on her website. This is not even half of them, okay? So she currently has 27 Conjure candles, 10 Heiress souffles, which you're gonna see in the next coming videos. I got all the Heiress souffles that she made at that time because she had an Heiress buy one get one free sale, so you'll see all of those, okay? Then she has 40 spelled candles, 40 of them. So I unboxed maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 at the most. So there's 30 more that I gotta go through, okay? And then we gotta go through all the Conjure candles. So I just want to let y'all know that, you know, and she does voodoo rites. She just started doing them, and I think that I'm going to get one of those as well. But I'm gonna try to get this all out of the way because I know I can ramble. I can. Like tonight, we're doing the 5th Pinnacle of Jupiter, just because I got it and it's Jupiter's day, and I need to get rid of it because I got leg buzz, so I don't want to, you know, waste not want not. So there's that. So yeah, just be on the lookout for those videos because they're coming. Like I said, the Heiress videos, the Heiress products that I ordered from her, buy one get one free sale, and I feel like she's gonna come out with another sale, which is going to make me happy because I can get these candles, you know, I can show them to you, and I can further begin to show you guys how I'm going about changing my own life. This is all about changing my own life, okay? I am the intended target. I have a target that has given me permission now. He's given me permission to work on him, but I don't know yet. So you guys be blessed, take care, and if you got any questions, let me know, because I'm telling you, the videos are coming. They're coming. Just as soon as I can get them to you, they're coming. All right, be blessed, take care, you know, talk to you in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me them comments. Toodles.